Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I don't think I said pizza right. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be working on a 1997 Ford Aspire. And we're going to be removing, I think it's a crash sensor. So if you get in a wreck and your front bumper gets all messed up, and you have to, and your lights and whatever, your airbag goes off, and for whatever reason you need to remove the old one and put on a new one. I mean, take it to a professional and have it, inspected, make sure the airbags work right. But if for whatever reason, you're trying to get an old part off a car or whatever, this is how you remove it and install it. So disconnect the negative line going to your battery and to your terminal, negative terminal. Disconnect that. I have the whole battery out, but that's because I've been making a bunch of videos and the throttle's not in. A lot of stuff's taken off, but I just have those in there just to fill the holes up. But anyway, the point here is to not be a nosy neighbor. Anyway, sorry, off camera. The electrical connection right here. This actually broke, but this will come off, and then that will come off. And look how fancy it's blue and a reddish orange. And because you follow that line, and it goes directly to the crash sensor itself. But it's like little birdies. But anyway, so you got to remove these fasteners. One right here, one right there, and one right there. And of course, there's going to be another. Okay, that's the same electrical line. But this is all in the front, so you go boom as you get hit in the front of the car. You're going to have a bad day. That's a crash sensor, so it's going to help you. It's going to help the car sense a crash. See how words work? Words are pretty cool. You can sense things. We didn't develop any of this technology until a few decades ago. Maybe, well, it's probably back in the 40s or 1940s or 50s. I don't know. But the 20th century. I mean, cars came out in late 1800s, and then we just kind of upgraded every few years, and then eventually in the 1980s, the computers came, the sensors, and the revolution. So I would say probably the 80s. This sensor came in play. I'm not going to look it up. You guys can. That's your homework. Your homework for the day is to look up when a crash sensor was invented, and maybe you can leave a comment saying when it was invented, so you can make me happy, make yourself happy, and pretty much just make it a happy place all around. So as you can see, this is too I don't want to use a trigger word. I'll say thick. I won't say fat. It's too thick. This end of this socket. Let's see. Yeah, it's a socket. This is the socket wrench. The end of the socket wrench is too thick to get that off. So I might have to use a smaller. I don't want to use a regular wrench because that's, well, I guess I could. But try to do this all in one take. That way it's easier to edit, and it's fun talking and having people listen, and because it's just an all-around good time. So we're looking for a 10mm in here. You're looking with me. A 9 may fit, but I doubt it. So we're looking for a 10, and I think we have found. Yep, we have found the. So get that loose. that loose and take it. Now I gotta tell people that, well, I got that off there, but I gotta tell people that you can't, I don't like when you watch me in real life because I don't get paid through ad revenue in real life. So I try to, you know, close off my workspace, so the only way you can view is through YouTube, and that way you can watch an ad and I get paid. So anyway, got that off there. Now if you're wondering what that pole is, it's an umbrella because it's really hot. So anyway, what we have here is this. All we have left is this disconnected. This is all attached to the frame, and the sensor is disconnected. So this just pulls out actually. See a little rubber? It just pulls out. And this one, you can, it just pulls out too. I pulled a little too hard and pulled off this plastic. Come on, focus. There we go. Pull off this plastic thing. So as you can see, that comes off. So we have one more. There. See, the wire's still intact. It's all good. And there you have it. Okay. So that's the crash sensor. So we're going to go over to the thumbnail lane, and this is where we do our little thumbnails here. Make this look like a little spider. And just get our thumbnail ready, and recording with this smartphone, I can record for about 5 minutes, and then it says storage full. So I have to upload. I don't think the word's upload. I have to transfer the data from the phone to the computer to the editing software, and then I can delete the video on the camera, and then I can record more, and then I do it until it's full, and then transfer that to the computer, to the editing software, and then I make my video. So anyway, so that's the crash sensor. And yeah, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. I like this red water protectant I put on the wood. It's very nice, very, very nice. There's the Ford Aspire. Got the umbrella up here because it's hot out here, and a little solar panel with the fan going below it for no reason. And just make a bunch of videos, removing and installing parts on the car, and just having a great day. So this has been another Matthumanpizza video on the Ford Aspire. This is about as good as use for an Xbox as just throw it on the front windshield and alright, over here's the this is tool lane. Just have a good time and shop towels, and that's how you remove a front crash sensor if you need to. Alright, have a great day.